Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I have to show you my favorite pair of jogging pants. These are the Friends jogging pants. These are all black. This one here has a gorgeous Friends logo all up the leg. So you can see in big, bright, bold letters, it says Friends. It has a nice Central Perk logo as well, right on the hip. I love how cozy these are. They are 80% polyester and 20% cotton, so you know that they're not going to shrink in the washer and dryer. I love that the color stays beautiful. The fabric is so comfortable. They fit just perfectly. They're not too tight. Just the right amount of coziness is what you want in a jogging pant, especially myself. I love the waist. The elastic is just comfortable, and you have a string in case you do need to adjust it, but they fit so perfectly. I love as well that the bottom has elastics around the ankles. That's great for short people like me so that they're not going to be tripping over it. I also love that I have washed these so many times and the color stays perfect. All the Friends logo and everything has not ripped, shredded. It stays absolutely beautiful. The color is so nice. And I love the fact that it has my favorite TV show written right on it, Friends. That's just my point of view.